chasing down a life that ain't been lived. One step closer, mile by mile, every struggle's worth the while. Small steps, big dreams, that's how it goes. Planting seeds where the wild wind blows, a little at a time till the roots run deep. Small steps to the mountain I keep. On the porch at night, her voice echoing through the firefly light. Daddy's hammer, calloused and strong, built a life where we all belong. One step closer, stone by stone. We ain't gotta do it alone. Small steps, big dreams, that's how it goes. Planting seeds where the wild wind blows, a little at a time till the roots run deep. Small steps to the mountain I keep.
Open sky, boots on ground, wide brim low, heart to love. Dust on dreams, truck bed thrown. Open sky, I'm in my zone. Yeah. Open sky, I raise my eyes, hands up high, let the day run wild. Barefoot soul on a back road drum, stomp that earth to the worry numb. Open sky, no ceiling on me, just that hum, that breeze, that beat. Open sky, open sky.
Yeah, finger on strings, that guitar preach. Banjo ping, lil twang and reach. Warm bass hug, my ribcage firm. Thoughts take turns, my hopes take turns. Old dirt lane, that homegrown stage. Spit those bars, spill out my age. Head tip down, still crown on tilt. Carry my joy with the chips and guilt. It's a gift, heel on the plywood floor. Heartbeat stomp, need nothing more. Open sky, I raise my eyes, hands up high, let the day run wild. Barefoot soul on a back road drum, stomp that earth to the worry numb. Open sky, no ceiling on me, just that hum, that breeze, that beat. Open sky, open sky. Who gon' tell this farm boy no? Feel stay go when the baseline roll. Rapping my draw, that small town flair. Hope hang loose in the August air. Every scar on my knuckle burn, turn to a verse when the seasons turn. Open sky, whoa, open sky. Name in the dirt, not stone. I ain't stuck on, I'm grown. Till the boost run dry. Stay low, but I aim high. Open sky.